Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by combining prerequisites with action. Have the same Python interpreter you will use, an editor showing line numbers, and the failing file open. Run the script now so you see the syntax error and its line reference. Once done, read the complete traceback, note the file name, line number, and the caret showing the error column. This is not guesswork. These details point directly to the offending token. Keep the terminal output visible while you edit. You now examine the indicated line and its neighbors. Syntax errors often arise earlier than the reported line. Look for unmatched quotes, parentheses, brackets, or a missing colon after def class for if while. Once identified, correct the token. Add the missing quote, close the parenthesis, insert the colon, or fix indentation. Make short edits, save, and rerun. If the error moves, follow the new pointer. This iterative approach homes in on the true cause. Finish by running the file again to confirm the syntax error is gone. If another message appears, repeat the locate and fix cycle until clean. Make sure to use Python mpy compile file, py or a linter to catch hidden problems before execution. If issues persist, extract the minimal code that reproduces the error. This isolates context and reveals hidden mistakes. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, copy the code to a new file to eliminate invisible characters or editor-specific encoding problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.